Hey, what is up, guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Apple AirPod Gen 4. So guys, in this video, we're going to unbox these. We're going to see what we get inside the box. We're going to check out some of the features and specs. And more importantly, we're going to see how they fit and sound. And I'll let you know what I think of them. So guys, this is the box they come in, very simple, just like all Apple products. We have a picture of the AirPods front and center, AirPod branding up top, Apple logo on the side here, and Apple logo on the other side. All right, so let's unbox these. Love these little pull tabs that Apple has. Makes unboxing so much easier. You like that? See if the mic picks it up. So satisfying. All right, first up. Designed by Apple in California. So this is going to be your user manual and things like that. Put all this to the side. Nothing else in here. And these are the AirPods Gen 4. They pack these so nice, I don't want to tear anything up. Forget it. There we go. Here are the AirPods Generation 4. And here are the AirPods Generation 3. 3s are a little bit wider, if you can see that. But as far as how thick they are very much the same. And they've got some heft to it. It feels very premium. But yeah, guys, very, very similar. So here is the case, a nice white, shiny finish. Nice. Got a nice snap to the closing. We've got like a brushed aluminum hinge. Your USB-C port on the bottom for charging. And we've got LED indicator light right there. Turns orange. Very straightforward, guys. What I love about the AirPods in the Apple products is that they are very straightforward, very easy to use. So let's pair these up real quick. Well, actually, before we do that, let's check to see how well the case holds them in place with a shake test. All right, they passed. All right, so let's pair this up with my phone real quick. And again, I love how easy it is to pair these up. Just make sure you got Bluetooth on. Open the lid. There you go, it sees it. Got AirPods, hit connect. Connecting. And there we have it. You can go through this tutorial if you'd like. Turn on personalized volume. I think that's new. I don't remember seeing that in the Gen 3s. Automatically adjust the volume of the media in response to your environment. So we'll leave that off. Control your AirPods by moving your head. So you can move your head up and down, side to side to accept or decline calls and to interact with your notifications without speaking or using your hands. You can customize your gestures in the Bluetooth settings. Very cool. I will leave that off for now. Battery life indicator, 38% on the buds themselves and 67% in the case. So just like that, we're connected, guys, and anytime you put these in your ears, they'll automatically connect. So guys, these are the tipless designs. They don't have a rubberized tip at the end of them. So Fitment's gonna be hit or miss. Some people these fit really well and some people they don't. I'm lucky enough to hopefully fit these because they look very similar to the Gen 3s. and the AirPod 2s and the AirPods before that, they fit me fine. But a lot of people, these don't fit because of the shape of that person's ear. So something to think about. Ooh, they got a strong magnet to them. Look at that. Well, let's check them out before I put them in here. So this is the AirPods, guys, Gen 4. It is a stem design. You've got your left and right branding. Very nice. Charging pins on the bottom here. They feel solid. All right, let's try these on. You get the AirPod chime, and we're connected. Let's see what we got. I'm expecting these to sound just like your other AirPods. They're all very nice. They all sound pretty good to me. So what I love about these is that if you're in the Apple ecosystem, if you're listening on your phone, you switch over to your MacBook or you switch over to your Mac Mini or iPad, these will automatically switch over to you so that you hear whatever media it is you're listening to on that other device. So let's some loonies right out the gate. They're sounding very clear, bright. Vocals are really clear, guys. We're at right about 50%. They sound good, man. What can I say? AirPods always sound good. They're always the one to beat. Very good. They sound really good, guys. But the thing is, if you have AirPods already, I don't think there's a need to upgrade to these. My Gen 3s sound just as good, I think. There might be some updated features on this one, but for the most part, they're very similar. So there's two versions of the Gen 4. There's these basic ones. They're coming in at right around 120 bucks. And then there's a ANC version that's coming in at, I believe, around 170. Me personally, I think that's pretty steep. There's a lot of brands out there that can offer similar sound experience to these at a fraction of the cost. But if you're in the Apple ecosystem, they're a decent buy. Like I said, with these being able to switch to your different devices on the fly, that's awesome. So once again, if you already have a pair of AirPods, you probably do not need to upgrade to these ones. The Gen 3s and below, I think they sound as good. They sound as good as these. Maybe these have maybe a touch better because they're newer. But overall, yeah, I don't think there's a need to upgrade.